What's one big mistake you see beginners make when it comes to SEO?
I think it comes back to understanding your audience really well. That's one of the core things that I see beginners do wrong a lot of times. They have a lot of theoretical knowledge and then go out to apply this right away. My biggest tip to beginners: first, does it actually make sense? Then apply all the SEO juice to it. What I recommend every beginner is get a project, get something out there where you can start collecting practical knowledge. There's this whole interesting journey that you go on as an SEO. You start with a very idealized view in SEO, and then you're being confronted with reality. Hopefully understand that the middle ground is probably best. It's usually a mix of what Google officially recommends you to do, of what your practical knowledge tells you, and of what other experts out there say. It's a mix of anecdotal experience and facts. As an individual, you kind of go through that journey. You should really think hard about the right questions to ask, and you should get as much practical knowledge as possible.